Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick collage spread in my spiral bound, super cheap collage journal. I love to use this for a quick creative play. Today I like to use this dark Payne's gray paper you see here, plus some of the others, or one or two of the other papers that I made over the last weeks. While I did some jelly prints, I posted a jelly printing video here on my channel, and I will link this up in the end card so you can check that out. Some of the papers I made in this printing session, and some are from another session I did a bit later, and there are already some reels posted on my Instagram page. Here I'm just going through the papers and see which fits best, and I picked some out that I like together with the dark blue, grayish blue background. You can see there are some trees in the background. These are stamped with our cuff collection number 4, and I think I did this paper just to clean up the stamp and to use the leftover paint. I will adhere on the papers with a glue stick. The sketchbook is super cheap. It's just a drawing paper pad from the Action store. I think it's less than €1 when you buy it. So it's a perfect sketchbook to not be afraid to ruin any pages. I'm intuitively looking through the papers and see what I like. Usually I look through the camera onto the page when I make a decision, because that gives me a little bit more distance and that makes it easier to decide which combination is the best. Well, it's Christmas today, and of course I wish you all a Merry Christmas. I'm not sure if a lot of people are watching. Usually on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve, the afternoon, we in Germany decorate our Christmas tree and prepare everything for the kids. And so I will not watch YouTube videos, but maybe you find time over the Christmas days, and maybe you got some art supplies you want to use, and you are watching this video for a little bit of inspiration. I'm cutting off the overlapping edges of the paper. I usually do this step when I'm not sure what else I want to add. Then it makes it a bit easier to see how the whole page is looking. Sometimes I'll leave a little bit of that overlapping because I feel it adds to the layout. I wanted to use kind of a warmer paper, but this orange one is too much, I feel. I don't like any kind of cold color here. So I'm going through some of the prints I made in that last jelly printing video. And I want to use one of the warmer colors and just add a little bit of this paper to the right side of my collage. I thought I could add some washi tape to my spread, but finally I thought it does not look good, and when I remove the washi tape I tear that rice paper, the yellow one. So if you want to remove washi tape from rice paper, it's not possible. But I think it's not that kind of a drama, because I think it looks very interesting to have this torn paper. I'm using a white Neocolor crayon to make some marks on the darker area of the page. I wanted to do some stamping, and I'm using one of the brand new stamps. They will come out in January when we are back in the shop and process orders. At the moment we are on a holiday break, and orders start shipping out on January 6th, and also in this week we will have our new release. I don't have the exact date. I have to see how quick I get everything sorted out. For my focal point, I picked that leaf. I did this a while ago. I did a bunch of these ephemera pieces. And here I have some blue silver thread that matches the paint's gray background very good, I feel. And it adds a bit of dimension to the page. And I'm just preparing some strips of paper to add them to this focal area as well. I'm stamping a bit of text with the vintage postcard to this piece, just to add a little bit more interest. To adhere everything, I'm using some glossy accents because that dries super fast, and it also will hold the thread and the leaf in place. Yes, and that's my page for today. I hope you enjoyed that quick collage video and you are maybe a little bit inspired. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas time with your families, and yeah, I hope we will see us next time. Bye.